Oh, good morning guys. So this is a super random vlog. I am about to test the drone out, at least get some breakfast first, go find a place and test the drone out. What happened yesterday, I was a little distracted. There's a lot of people around. I guess you could say rule of thumb, try not to be too distracted when you're flying a drone, and I crashed it, right? So what happened was the drone bounced off the ground, it hit the ground, and shot back up. And there was some minor issues with the drone. I'll actually insert the flight video right here. At this time of the day, the Black Stallion, and yes, I named my drone the Black Stallion, was flying around, droning around, doing its thing. We were having an awesome and gorgeous sunset at the lawn, when suddenly a girl who was getting some pictures, didn't expect this, oh no, oh no, oh, oh! Bounced right off the ground, shot back up. I had some issues flying it later on. And yeah, we got some beautiful sunset shots out in Canggu. We're hanging out the lawn, and it was just great vibes. And yeah, I kind of got a little distracted. There were a lot of people crowding around me, looking at what's going on, watching the drone video from my phone. And what happened was I hit the ground, and yeah, the drone kind of had some minor issues for the next 10 minutes of the flight. I got it back safely. I need to test it out. I kind of need to find a place to shoot the drone back up and see if it's okay. I'm gonna go get some breakfast somewhere. I'm gonna go get another acai bowl. I think that's the daily routine. And go to a beach, probably find a beach close by, shoot the drone up, and hopefully it works. Rule of thumb, try not to be distracted when you're flying your drone. All right, so the Uber should be here soon. I got this guy coming with me. Let's go for a little adventure. I guess it's not really an adventure. Gotta see if the drone works. Alright, arriving soon. So it's about a 28-minute car ride. We're actually going to the Nusa Penida area. Might as well make it kind of an adventure testing the drone out. I'm gonna be flying the drone at the waterhole. So I've been in the waterhole once, didn't have a drone with me, so this is really a little different, testing it out there. Hopefully it works. Thank you very much. Makasih.
Sama-sama.
What does sama-sama mean?
Same.
Okay, same. Sama-sama. Sama-sama. Makasih, sama-sama. We're good.
Coming into this area, it's like completely, it's just unkept.
Yeah.
Unbelievable amount, right?
Oh yeah. It's beautiful up here. All right, there's, I guess, security. So I had my drone in like 3 shady little black cases. Yeah. He looks right down and he just goes, okay, thank you. It's like, it looks like the shadiest black cases. We made it to the Bali collection mall. We're gonna get some lunch here right now and then test out the drone flight, hopefully. Where do you think I'm from?
I don't know. I'm from
You take a guess.
USA. California. I'm good.
Is it the
She's good.
Oh, you're good.
You from California? Right?
California, yeah.
California. You friend or family?
Friend.
Special friend or?
No.
Yeah, special, very special friend. Thanks. Oh my God, did you see her face?
Sorry.
It's okay. God, the mine's out here. Is he your special friend?
I'm the special friend from Australia.
We couldn't find Ginger House, we were looking for it, and I was like, why don't I just eat here? And it is Ginger House. Wait, so we made it?
We made it.
So we're gonna eat here? Okay, so this is kind of like an Italian type restaurant.
Oh, look at the table.
That's cool, yeah. And that was 1 fresh coconut and 1 delicious spaghetti. We are heading to the water blow now and testing out the drone. A little grody, but this side is like the more nicer beaches, I guess you could say. The water blow should be up there. All right, here's the entrance to the water blow. The blowhole or the water hole is right over there. So once, oh, there it goes. Once the waves crash, kind of shoots through the hole. So we made it to the water blow. It was kind of devastating seeing the drone crash yesterday. Threw an ND filter on, I adjusted the gimbal, and yeah, let's take it up and see if it flies. I hope it flies. This is great. Oh my God, awesome drone flight. Super happy, super stoked that the drone works. It's funny, I actually got yelled at for flying the drone. I wasn't allowed to fly it near the waterhole area. Water blow, right? Water blow? Water blow area. But I flew it up, got some awesome shots, got some awesome footage. Whoop, almost got hit by some water. We found this awesome little spot that no one's at. We got like a beach back there to ourselves, and yeah, no one's around here. The water's super refreshing, but I'm just so happy that the drone works. Great success. Still surprised that I crashed it. Kind of like dropped on the ground and did a little love tap to the ground and shot back up. Tip of the day, when you're flying a drone, don't be distracted. It's kind of like driving a car. You're actually flying something, and you don't want to, here comes another wave. Oh, you want to crash it into anything, you got to be careful, these drones, especially crashing it into a person. Oh, hopefully this wave dives down. You got to be a little more careful. You definitely don't want to crash it into anyone. My apologies, whoever's out there. I don't know if you're going to see this video, but my bad. Here comes another wave. Drone's good. Tomorrow's vlog is super exciting. And the whole idea of this vlog was to really test out that the drone works, because I really need it for tomorrow. Just 2 waves. A lot more vlogs to come. Like, hit the subscribe button, comment down below if you have any drone accidents or anything like that. Thanks for watching, guys. Be on the lookout for my next vlog tomorrow. Thanks, guys. Oh, I gotta get up before this wave. Oh. This is beautiful.